So I'm gonna go back to the current position that I have, which is the, I'm gonna go to the trades, and then I'm gonna go to my current trades over here, open trades, okay, order histories. So no order histories here. Guys, this one is new to me, so you gotta be patient with me. So okay, here's the deal. This is the this position is the Bitcoin towards the USDT against USDT. So the Bitcoin. So I came to the market at point of it was, as you see, almost at if I'm gonna go down. So my original investment for this one was $30-something because I have the investment for it, right? I mean, I have the leverage for it, right? And my current position is here. So far, I came to the market with a margin of $35.95. And so far, the market is up to $12.15. As you see, is keep changing because it's up and running. My position so far 31.50% return of actual investment. But I'm gonna keep this market because to me, based off my understanding and my principles, this market is gonna collapse. Because as you see, that S indicates that I just sold the asset towards downward of the market. And if I'm gonna go, this is the 15 minutes chart, and if I'm gonna go to 4 hours chart, so you can clearly see why I have sold it. I sold it over there, and I'm gonna take the profit, I'm gonna buy it back at lower cost. So if I'm gonna come back to my position, so I sold it at the entry price was $103,545, and I'm gonna come out of the market at $93,000. If the cryptocurrency, I mean, if the market is gonna crash, so which I'm expecting to, as at $93,000, I'm gonna cash out. So that is gonna give me the profit of, if that happen, the profit is gonna be $457.67. So that means by original investment of 30-something dollars, so basically by 35.95%, I'm gonna make almost $500 on top of it, and the percentage for that one is gonna be it doesn't show me the percentage. When it shows the percentage when it get to that position, and then it's gonna calculate the percentage, how much I made based off the percentage. At this point, we're gonna hope for it and we're gonna wait for it to see what's gonna happen. Thanks.